I'm not very much mistaken, even a little bit of condensation over the Osprey's upper surfaces there as it pulled up.
I think also if you look very carefully, you may well see some vortices coming off of the rotors themselves.
Very definitely indeed. This is a machine that is well known for generating. Comes to us from the 7th Special Operations Squadron of the US Air Force, part of the 352nd Special Operations Wing, based at RAF Mildenhall in Suffolk. That's where it's flown in from today, and that's where it'll be departing to at the end of its slot. The idea is to combine something of the flexibility of the helicopter, particularly in terms of operating into confined spaces, with the higher speeds and longer range of a fixed-wing aircraft. And here we see the transition from aeroplane to helicopter mode, as it were, commencing. Those big engine pods, which were in the horizontal position, now moving to about an 80-degree angle, and this will allow the Osprey to perform a very short rolling landing. Those engines, a pair of Rolls-Royce Allison AE1107C turboshafts of over 6,200 shaft horsepower each. This is a type that's currently in service with both the United States Marine Corps and a very short tactical takeoff there. Climbing steeply out. The Osprey program, as I said, a joint venture between Bell and Boeing. Boeing builds the fuselage and all the subsystems, digital avionics and the fly-by-wire control systems. Bell provides the wing, transmissions, the empennage, the rotor systems and the engine installation. In US Air Force service, the CD-22B with a single internal auxiliary fuel tank fitted up, but they're also able to air-to-air refuel from MC-130 Hercules tankers to give a range of more than 2,000 nautical miles and up to 5 hours of endurance. We can see the new MC-130J version of that type in the static part as well. In now for another fast pass. Between this and the MV-22B operated by the US Marine Corps, it has more fuel capacity and it has 4 crew instead of 3 on board. One of the Air Force examples for a typical mission will be 2 pilots and 2 flight engineers, and it's also got a terrain following radar to assist in operations in the low-level environment that can be so important. The 352nd Special Operations Wing at Mildenhall took on its first Ospreys in June 2013.
You can just about see the vortices coming off of the rotors. I was last in Afghanistan in 2012. I was there for 12 months and based out of Kabul. And we used to do a regular run to one of the forward operating bases. And it was generally 2 hours by show. One day an Osprey turned up and was there for quite a long time. These have performed a lot of missions in Afghanistan with both the Marine Corps and US Air Force. The first combat deployment was actually to Iraq in September 2007. The first Afghanistan deployment began in 2009 with the Marine Corps. Just a month after the Ospreys arrived in theatre, they made their inaugural combat mission when Marines and troops were inserted into a hostile zone in Helmand. Bombing 44 Ospreys to replace the aging Grumman C-2 Greyhound in the COD, or Carrier Onboard Delivery role, resupplying the US Navy's aircraft carriers, and further developments are being studied. The manufacturer is looking at a gunship version. It's tested rocket and missile armament. It takes a new gateway, collecting data from different sources and disseminating it to other platforms.